Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you edit links and add social media links to your header on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, let's go ahead to the website where we want to add links. Go ahead and click on the website, and now this will open up our website in the page. So from here guys, you'll be able to edit your website. So guys, how do you add links and edit links? Well, it's very easy. First thing you want to do guys, go ahead and click this button right here in the upper left corner called edit. So guys, go ahead and click on edit, and now this will open up your website in editor mode where you'll be able to edit your site. So as you can see here guys, if we put our mouse on the header, you can see this button appears called edit site header. So guys, go ahead and click the button right here called edit site header. So as you can see currently at the left side of the screen, we have our Instagram link and our Twitter link, which will be able to connect to our social media. So how do you add more links? Well, it's very easy. Go ahead and click this button right here in the new option tab called elements. Go ahead and click on elements, and this will now open up this new options tab where you can see there is an option called social links. You can disable this if you do not want social links in your header. If you enable them, then you will be able to see links in your header. So guys, go ahead and click this button right here called edit social links, and now you will be able to put in links to your media that people will be able to click and go to your sites. So you can add your Instagram link, you can click on it to change it, you can add your Twitter, you can add your Facebook or anything that you want. So guys, after clicking that, just close it and go ahead into the upper left corner, click done and click save. And after doing that guys, now your social media links will be saved and added to your header website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.